Use Microsoft Excel for free without installing it. Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple and practical way to use Microsoft Excel for free without installing Microsoft Excel on your PC or laptop. No setup, no cracked software, no heavy downloads. All you need is an internet browser and one simple link. This method works on almost any computer, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to create, edit, save, and download Excel spreadsheets, all without installing anything. So take your time, relax, and let me walk you through this step by step. All right, let's get started. I'm opening my web browser now. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any modern browser. In the address bar, I'll type excel.new and press Enter. If you're not signed in already, Microsoft will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. I'm already signed in, so it takes me straight in. And just like that, a blank Microsoft Excel workbook opens immediately inside the browser. No installation required. Quick, simple, clean. What you're looking at right now is Microsoft Excel Online. At the top, you'll notice the familiar ribbon with tabs like Home, Insert, Formulas, Data, Review, and View. Below that is your worksheet, with columns labeled A, B, C, and rows numbered 1, 2, 3, just like the desktop version. Up here on the top left, you can see the file name. You can click on it any time to rename your workbook. If you've used Microsoft Excel before, this interface will feel very familiar, almost identical to the installed version. Now let's do something practical. I'll type Item in cell A1. In B1, I'll type Quantity. In C1, I'll type Price. Now let me enter some sample data. Under Item, I'll type Book. Quantity, maybe 5. Price, let's say 20. Now let's calculate the total. In cell D1, I'll type Total. Then in D2, I'll enter a simple formula, equals B2 multiplied by C2, and press Enter. Just like that, Excel calculates it instantly. Let me format it a bit. I'll bold the headings, increase the font size slightly, add some borders, and maybe format the price column as currency. No installation, no stress, work from anywhere. As you can see, the formulas, formatting tools, sorting, and filtering, all the essential Excel features work exactly the way you expect them to. Now here's something very important. I haven't clicked any Save button. I can easily rename the file here as well. That's because Excel Online automatically saves your workbook as you work. It saves directly to OneDrive, which is Microsoft's cloud storage. So even if your browser closes unexpectedly or your system shuts down, your work is still safe. Now let's say you already have an existing Excel file on your computer and you want to continue working on it. I'll click on File, then choose Open. You'll see your recent files saved to OneDrive. But down below there's an option that says Open Files from this device. I'll click that. Now I can select an Excel file stored on my computer. I'll choose a file and open it. And there you go. The spreadsheet opens directly inside Excel Online, ready for editing. This is very powerful. It means you can edit Excel files even if Microsoft Excel is not installed. Your local file also gets backed up online automatically, and you can continue working on the same spreadsheet later, from another computer or even from your phone. So Excel Online is not just a spreadsheet tool, it also acts as a cloud backup solution. Now when you're done working and you want to download the file for offline use, that's very easy. I'll click on File again. Then choose Create a Copy. From here you can download a copy to your computer. I'll click Download a Copy. And just like that, the workbook downloads as a standard .xlsx Excel file. You can open it later using Microsoft Excel or any compatible spreadsheet application. And there it is. So that's how to use Microsoft Excel for free without installing it using excel.new. You can create new spreadsheets, open existing ones, use formulas and formatting tools, save automatically online, and download files for offline use, all directly from your browser. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more practical tech tutorials, tips, and productivity tricks. Until next time, stay blessed and keep coding smarter, not harder.